Another morning, another stack of mail for Mr. Zip to deliver today. An urgent package, yeah, a special delivery. We have to find its home. So come on, it's time to go. Yeah, B. Franklin, won't you come with me? La la la, do do do. Mr. Zip will deliver to you. La la la, do 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 do. Meow. What's that noise? What could it be? Oh, it's a cat stuck in a tree. B. Franklin, won't you fly up there and calm that kitty down? Mr. Zip will make this delivery and find someone to help us out. My oh my, he's right on time. Looks like this package is for Grandma's cat. His name is Vinny, and she hasn't seen him all day. Well, Mr. Zip knows what to do. Come on, Grandma, we have something to show you. Vinny's in that tree, and he's made a new friend. We have to get him down. Let's use his brand new bed. Hey there, Vinny. It's time to come down. So hop on B. Franklin and fly to the ground. Great job, everybody. We saved the cat. Such a perfect delivery today. Let's get going, B. Franklin. Hey, where did he go? I guess he needs a rest because he made himself a nice new nest.
B. Franklin and Mr. Zip are sorting the mail, and it's a special day. It's the 250th anniversary of the United States Postal Service. Since 1775, the mail has been delivered by people just like Mr. Zip. And of course you too, B. Franklin. Yep, your namesake, Ben Franklin, started the Postal Service. Wouldn't it be cool to meet him? What's that letter? It looks as old as the Postal Service itself. Whoa! It looks like the letter sent us back in time. We're in the Old West, when writers would deliver mail on horseback. There's that old letter again. It's the days of airmail. Daredevils used to deliver the mail in biplanes. Mr. Zip, grab that letter. Where are we off to now? Wow, we must be on the mail car of an old steam train. In the early days of trains, mail cars had everything USPS needed, on the go. Hey, Farley. Hopefully we're on our way home. We've gone all the way back to the founding of the Postal Service. It's Ben Franklin. Mr. Franklin, we're huge fans. Ben Franklin invented the Postal Service so information could be shared throughout the original 13 colonies. That letter was for you, Mr. Franklin? Well, that looks like the Declaration of Independence. That was a crazy dream, wasn't it? Happy 250th USPS.
Mr. Zip is walking on this beautiful day. What's that noise? Is everything okay? It's just B. Franklin's tummy. He must be really hungry. Liza and Iverson are picking fresh fruit. They're making delicious orange juice. What a healthy treat. Mr. Zip, let's go and see. Oh, they wanna build a community garden, but Liza and Iverson don't know how to get started. Mr. Zip knows what to do. Mr. Zip, we'll follow you. Farm Farmer Milo has everything we need. Tools, dirt, and a bag full of seeds. We best be on our way to plant the garden today. We need some sun. Oh, we need some sun. And water too. And water too. A whole lot of patience. We have a lot of waiting to do. A lot of waiting to do. But when the time comes and the hard work is all done, we'll have a community garden. A community garden. Everybody gather round. Let's invite everyone in town. Let's invite everyone in town. We worked as an awesome team and made a beautiful garden. It's true. It's true. I guess we still have some orange picking to do. Mr. Zip and B. Franklin are sorting the mail today. Okay, time to deliver all the mail in a Mr. Zippy way. The zip code on each piece of mail tells us where it goes. Let's shut the door and keep on moving down the road. Whoa, 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 whoa. B. Franklin sees something strange and it gives him quite a fright. Quite a fright. He says he saw a dinosaur? That can't be right. No. But there must be something over there. Oh no, there's mail everywhere. It's a mail mix-up. Yeah, it's a mail mix-up. Let's sort it out. Here we go. We just have to use the zip code. Follow the numbers on the zip code. They tell you where this package goes. Yeah, follow the numbers on the zip code. They tell you where the package goes. Where does this package go? We figured it out. It needs to go to Iverson's house. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's that scary dino. Ah, it's just Iverson in a costume though. It must be his birthday. Looks like fun. I bet it's a dino-themed one. Wow, a dino birthday cake. What a fun and crazy day. But Mr. Zip is on his way. Wait, Mr. Zip, it's just not right for you to leave without having a bite. Happy birthday, Iverson!
Mr. Zip and B. Franklin are sorting the mail for a brand new day. Let's do it. The zip code on each piece of mail tells us where it should be delivered. On to the next neighborhood. Don't forget to shut the back door. Whoa! What happened to B. Franklin? B. Franklin saw a dinosaur? It must be some kind of mix-up. And speaking of mix-ups, look at all this mixed-up mail. But not to worry, it's easy to sort by using the zip code. Look at this big box. It's easy. The first number tells us which part of the country the mail goes to. It might be one state or more. The second and third numbers tell us a smaller region within the state, and then the final numbers tell us the city and streets the mail goes to. It looks like this big package goes to Iverson's house. It's that dinosaur again. What is happening? Whoa, it was just Iverson in costume. And it must be Iverson's birthday, and he's having a dinosaur-themed birthday party. Look, a birthday cake for Iverson. What a crazy day. Mail mix-ups and delicious dinosaur cake. Off to deliver the rest of the mail. Wait, what does Iverson have for Mr. Zip and B. Franklin? Well, maybe one slice of cake can't hurt. Happy birthday, Iverson. Time to pick up the mail from our friend Farley. Hey, Milo and Liza! Oh no! What's wrong with Farley? Liza and Milo put a special letter in Farley and it's stuck. Can you get it out, Mr. Zip? Oh, that must be the problem. Farley is stuffed full of mail. That ought to make him feel better. Right, Farley? The letter's still stuck. Must be another reason. This is a big letter. Too big for Farley's mail slot. They're trying to send Grandma a birthday card? With a book inside? Even though you can put anything in Farley, you shouldn't. He can't fit big or thick envelopes. For this letter, you need to go in the post office. You only put a single stamp on it. This needs a couple more stamps because it's bigger and heavier than a regular letter. That can't be right. Oh, B. Franklin, you better move unless you want to get mailed too. It will be $3 to mail this envelope to Grandma. Now add the stamps to the letter. Milo, don't put the letter in Farley. It'll get stuck again. Oh, that drop box is perfect. And Farley, we won't let you get stuffed again. Time for Mr. Zip to collect the mail from his friend, Farley the mailbox. Hi, Farley. Let's see how much mail we have to deliver today. Are you feeling down, Farley? How about we clean you up and give you a makeover? Mr. Zip just needs to finish his mail route and grab a few things. See you soon! It's Mr. Zip's last delivery of the day at the art store. And maybe he can pick up something for Farley, too. Mr. Zip brought paint for Farley's makeover. Let's get to work! Now Farley looks very green? Oops, maybe green isn't Farley's color. First, a little oil to loosen those creaky hinges, and maybe a different look? Wow, Farley's feeling a little feline with this design. Maybe too feline? Wouldn't want to upset our furry friends. Mr. Zip has one more idea. Want to give it a try, Farley? How about good old USPS Blue? Can't go wrong with a classic. Farley, you didn't have to change. You just needed some freshening up. We love you just the way you are. Another day, another stack of important mail for Mr. Zip to deliver. We have an urgent, time's almost out, special delivery. Let's go. Phew, The packaging in the box cushioned B. Franklin's fall. Remember, don't rush. Mr. Zip always delivers. This is the address for the urgent delivery. And not a minute wasted. Did you say something, B. Franklin? The noise came from that tree. Oh, look, a cat. It must be stuck up there. B. Franklin, you stay here and keep the cat calm. Mr. Zip will deliver this priority mailbox and get some help. Great job, Mr. Zip. Right on time. This delivery is a gift for Grandma's cat, Vinny, but she hasn't seen him all day. Aha! Mr. Zip knows where Vinny might be. This way. It's Vinny, and, oh, he's made a friend. But how will we get him down safely? Grandma bought a new bed for Vinny. Perhaps this will tempt him down. Great job, B. Franklin. You saved Vinny. How do you like your new bed, Vinny? Talk about a perfect delivery. Come on, B. Franklin. There's lots more mail for us to deliver. Where is B. Franklin? It's the 4th of July. Mr. Zip and his friends are decorating for the town celebration. B. Franklin is super excited for the fireworks display. It's always right behind the post office. The post office looks star-spangled spectacular. Happy Independence Day, Milo and Liza. Is something wrong? The fireworks show is delayed? Oh no! What are we going to do? But if there's no fireworks, there's no show. What if we make our own do-it-yourself fireworks? We'll need more decorations, and more importantly, we must work together, quickly. Milo, Liza, Farley, B. Franklin, want to help? First, we need a cardboard poster tube. We normally use these to mail rolled-up posters, but today we're making something different. Next, grab a paintbrush and paint your tube however you like. Hopefully, we'll be ready to put on a show. The food looks delicious. But the fireworks haven't started yet, so we gotta jump in. I can't wait to see our own DIY fireworks. Amazing! Wait, is that Grandma? The fireworks show is ready! Now that's a fireworks show. Happy 4th of July, everyone!
Mr. Zip has a package for Milo. Milo. And he's using a paper map. A paper map. Is he lost? Couldn't be. Well, looks like he's lost to me. Mr. Zip is lost. Maybe B. Franklin can help him. B. Franklin. If he flies up for a bird's eye view. A bird's eye view. What's that sound? It's Milo's dog Daisy. Hey Daisy. Hey Daisy. We could use some help from you. But Daisy's lost too. What will we do? Daisy can help us find Milo. Yeah. By using her doggy nose. Her doggy nose. Wow. Looks like she picked up a scent. This doesn't seem right. and Mr. Zip knows. But the sun can help us find our way. We'll use it as a map today. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. When it comes to directions, Mr. Zip is the best. This shadow's pointing south. It should lead to Milo's house. Milo's house. We finally found our friend Milo. Milo. And delivered his package too. That's what we do. No one is ever really lost when you have friends and the sun helping you. Helping you. Oh wow, it's treats for Daisy. Daisy. Thank you for all your doggy help. Thank you. But hey, Mr. Zip, don't forget to say thank you to B. Franklin as well.
Mr. Zip has to deliver these 2 big packages. One package is headed to the school, and the other one to the fire station. Good thing they're right next to each other. Let's go! First stop, the fire station to deliver the first package. This should be an easy delivery. Uh-oh, the fire hose is broken. And now the packages are mixed up. Looks like Mr. Zip doesn't know which package goes where. B. Franklin thinks this is the right package, but Mr. Zip isn't so sure. Here you go, Grandma. Now to deliver the other package. It's a very special day at the school. It's the first day back to school. They must be excited for school to start. And for Mr. Zip's package. I wonder what's in the package. A fire hose? Oh no, it was supposed to be the school supplies for their whole class. We delivered the wrong package. We need to get those supplies pronto. B. Franklin, fly quick and deliver a message to Grandma. Oh, Grandma brought the school supplies that accidentally got delivered to the fire station. Now we're really ready to go back to school. Thanks, Mr. Zip. And Grandma. Iverson and Milo are making sure nobody goes hungry with their hot dog cart. Daisy is excited because she has firehouse dog training today. But first, she needs a bath. Or maybe a hug? Oh no! Get those condiments! Daisy didn't show up for her training. Oh no! We'll go back to Marlo's farm. Grandma, you look around town in the fire truck. Where's Daisy? She didn't show up to the fire station. Those look like her muddy paw prints. Let's go! We're back where we started, and the paw prints end here? B. Franklin, what did you step in? It's mustard. I wonder if Daisy chased after a hot dog when they went rolling everywhere. I bet she went that way. The mustard leads to the post office. We found Daisy, and she found a delicious hot dog. That must be Grandma. Are you ready for fire training, Daisy? Hot diggity dog! We solved the mystery of the missing pup. It's Valentine's Day. B. Franklin and Farley are decorating the post office. And Mr. Zip's mailbag is full from all the people sending love to their friends and family. Oh no! This card doesn't have a name or address. So Mr. Zip doesn't know where to deliver it, or to who. Aha! B. Franklin thinks maybe the girl in the drawing sent the card. But how will we find her? B. Franklin thinks he can help. Follow that eagle, Mr. Zip. It's Liza and Iverson. They're riding their bikes to school. The braids match! Maybe Liza sent this Valentine's card. Liza, Mr. Zip needs a name and address before he can deliver your card to your grandma. Grandma's house is on the way to school. How about we all deliver the card together? Yep, just like it says on the card. This is Grandma's house. Grandma loves her Valentine's card. A job well done, but Mr. Zip has a lot more Valentines to deliver. What's this? Another card? But wait, Liza, there's no name and address. Again. It's a Valentine's Day card for Mr. Zip and B. Franklin. From Grandma. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. What a lovely day in the countryside. Mr. Zip has a special package for llama farmer Milo. Watch out, Mr. Zip. There's something in the road. It's a llama. This one must have wandered off from the farm up the road. We've got to get her home. Oh no, a flat tire. How is Mr. Zip going to deliver the mail and get the llama home? That works! Whether it's on a truck or a llama, we deliver the mail. The flag is up on the mailbox. That means there's mail to pick up. Oh no! The road is closed. How are we going to get through? I wonder if this llama can go off-road too. It's a mama llama, and that must be its baby. Mr. Zip can deliver anything, even a lost mama llama home to the farm. And here's your delivery too, Milo. Talk about a special delivery.
B. Franklin and Mr. Zip are sorting the mail today. Okay. It's the 250th anniversary of the Postal Service. No way, since 1775, the mail has been delivered by people and birds like you guys. Your namesake, Ben Franklin, started it all back then. Wouldn't it be cool to meet him? What's that letter? It looks old. Let's have a look and... Whoa! We were sent back in time to the Old West, traveling on horseback like they did back in the day. Don't let that letter get away. fly in a biplane. Mr. Zip, grab that letter. Don't let it get away. Wow, we're on the mail car of an old steam train. They used these to deliver the mail in the very early days. Hey there, Farley, what do you have to say? Hey! Where are we now? Back to the founding of the Postal Service. Hey, Ben Franklin. Mr. Franklin, we're such huge fans. You invented the Postal Service so information could be shared throughout the land. This letter's for you. The Declaration of Independence, could it be true? What a crazy dream. Hey, Postal Service, happy anniversary. Mr. Zip has to deliver 2 packages today. Okay. To the school and the fire station. Let's get on our way. They're close to each other, and that's a good thing. Let's start with the fire station and see what the day brings. This should be easy. Mr. Zip will lead the way. This should be simple. Yeah, he does this every day. Oh no, a broken fire hose. It's broken. The packages are mixed up. We can't tell where they should go. Mr. Zip, what should we do? B. Franklin thinks this package is the right one to choose. Let's hope that he's right. Hey, Grandma, here's your package. Now we have to say goodbye. Time to deliver package number 2. It's a very special day at the local school. It's the first day of school. And here's a package for you. Oh no, a fire hose? It was supposed to be school supplies. Mr. Zip, we have to make this right. B. Franklin, fly quickly. Tell Grandma to come here. We'll fix this little mix-up, and soon everything will be clear. It's the first day of school. And here's the package that was meant for you. But now you have your school supplies. Thank you, Mr. Zip. Everything's gonna be alright. It's a rainy day in the countryside, but Mr. Zip, he doesn't mind. He keeps on riding his mail truck down the road. Hey, look, there's Milo and Grandma. But what are they trying to say? They're saying, Mr. Zip, you have to stop or you'll get stuck on the road today. Looks like the road is covered in mud. Yeah, this truck is really stuck. How are we gonna deliver the mail without a nice dry trail? How can we deliver the mail? Why don't you ride Milo's horse? Robbie is his name. Hey, Robbie. Before there were trucks, mail was delivered on horseback every day. It's post by pony. Yeah, it's post by pony. Let's deliver the mail to everyone and have a little pony fun. Mr. Zip wants to try his very best to do it like the days of the Pony Express, when everything was delivered on horseback. Well, onward ho, here we go. Mr. Zip, you're a natural, and Robbie the horse is keeping things right on track. Yeah, all the mail is delivered. A job well done. But now we have to find a way to get the truck out of the mud. Let's go, Robbie. You're such a good horse, and you've saved the day again. Well, there's one Mr. Zip has something cool to deliver on this sunny day. Okay. Eliza and Iverson are ready to have a treat. But oh no, something's wrong. Oh no, the ice cream melted in the heat. We have to keep this ice cream cold, but we can't go inside. No, no, no. The power's out and it's very hot in there. So hot. Mr. Zip has an idea. Yeah. He knows what to do. Okay, Mr. Zip, we'll follow you. We'll follow you. Looks like the fire station's power is out. Power is out. And there's no power here at Grandma's house. Grandma's house. The ice cream's gonna melt. Yeah, it's going fast. B. Franklin, what are you doing? Swimming in the bird bath. That's it. Mr. Zip knows some other chilly birds. Let's find the penguins and have a little word. There's Mr. Penguin. Look at that. Chilling in his ice-cold habitat. Let's cool this ice cream down with the coolest bird in town. Some fresh ice cubes should do. Mr. Penguin, thank you. Thank you. Now where should we throw our party for the last day of school? Hey, why not do it here, where the friends are amazing and the ice cream is always cool. Time to collect the mail from Farley, the mailbox. But he's feeling bad and a little sad, 'cause he's dirty as can be. Mr. Zip says, leave it with me. A mailbox makeover, that's exactly what you need. Mailbox makeover, mailbox makeover. Last delivery of the day at the lovely local art store. Let's pick up some paint along the way and bring it home to Farley for our mailbox makeover. Mailbox makeover. He's nice and clean. He's nice and clean. But he's a little too green. Too green. It's not really his color. Oh no. As you can see. As you can see. As you can see. You can see. Let's use a little oil. Use a little oil now to loosen up those hinges. And some different paint. Wow, what do you say? Farley's looking very feline today. Wow, he looks so much like a cat that the dog starts barking. Woof, woof. Listen to that, Mr. Zip. What should we do? Hey, that's a great idea. Let's paint him that old-fashioned U.S. Postal Service blue. Mailbox makeover. Makeover. Mailbox makeover. Farley mailbox makeover. You look great, Farley. Mr. Zip is in the countryside with a special package by his side for the llama farmer Milo today. Whoa, something's in the road. Something's in the road. What could it be? What could it be? Looks like a llama to me. Yep, that's a llama. But a llama shouldn't be alone. We have to get this llama home. Let's get this llama home. Oh no, we have a flat tire. Oh no, what will we do now? What will we do Mr. now? Zip has an idea. When something needs to be delivered, he always finds a way how. Let's ride the llama down the country trail. There's always a way to deliver the mail. This llama is so helpful. today. So helpful today. Whoa, something's in the road. Something's in the road. What could it be? What could it be? Looks like a fence to me. How are we gonna get through? Hey llama, can you go off-road too? Well, we made it to the llama farm. Hey look, it's baby llama's mom. And Farmer Milo in such a thankful mood. Such a thankful mood. No matter where you are, Mr. Zip can deliver to you. Hey, what's inside this package? Some fresh, delicious llama food. See you soon, Mr. Zip. Mr. Zip's at the aquarium today. Mr. Zip, he's got a package coming somebody's way. The old sea turtle is having a big birthday. He's 100 years old, and it's time to celebrate. Woo! Where does the sea turtle live? Let's find his habitat. Find his habitat. Maybe he lives in here. Hey, wait! What is that? What is that? A dolphin. A dolphin? Yeah! Could it be she took the package away? She's trying to get it to the turtle on his special day. It's really cold here in the penguin's home. Maybe Mr. Penguin has a plan. He could use his flippers for flipping. Oh no, the penguin's slipping! B. Franklin, can you save the day and get that package back? But where does the sea turtle live? He must be nearby. Should we look behind that door? Let's give it a try. There he is, such an awesome sea turtle. He travels miles and miles every year. Well, so does Mr. Zip. But how will he make this trip underwater? I know. Let's try some scuba gear. I wonder what the sea turtle got for his birthday. Of course, look at that. It's a seaweed cake. No matter where you are, Mr. Zip will deliver to you on land, in the air, and underwater too. It's Valentine's Day. And Mr. Zip is on his way with a bag full of love to deliver. What's this? A Valentine's card with no name or address? It's gonna be hard to figure out who it belongs to. B. Franklin, what should we do? Let's find the girl who wrote the letter, the one in the picture right here. Let's find her. If we find the girl who wrote the letter, she can tell us who it's for, and all will be clear. Hey guys, we don't know what to do. Liza, the girl in the picture is you. Liza says yes, she wrote the letter to tell her grandma how much she loves her. Now we have the address for the letter. We have to get it to grandma to show her that Liza's thinking of her. She's thinking of her. A Valentine is an awesome way to tell someone you care. Grandma's so delighted and excited. Love is in the air. Huh? What's this? Another card? No address again? This is gonna be hard. Wait, take a look. It's a Valentine. It's from Grandma, and she says, "Thank you, Mr. Zip. You'll always be a friend of mine.
Wow! Mr. Zip has a special mail route today, out on the lake. To make the delivery, he jumps onto the dock, drops the mail off, and makes it onto the boat before it sails off to the next delivery. If Mr. Zip misses the boat, he has to wait an hour for its return. Looks like Liza's got a big one. Maybe too big. They need help. And he needs to jump. Now! Hey, a tuba! How did that get there? That tuba needs a tuna. The mail boat's already left. How will we catch up? Look, Milo's water skiing. Maybe they can help. Grandma, can you help Mr. Zip catch up to the mail boat? Look, the mail boat. Grandma, turn. You can do it, Mr. Zip. Good job, Mr. Zip. What a jump! No time to celebrate. There's more mail to deliver and docks to jump on. Mr. Zip is delivering to a construction site. Oh no! It's an excavator. It's used to dig holes on construction sites, but right now, it's in the way. It's our friends Liza and Milo. Maybe they know a way around. They said the coast is clear. If Mr. Zip goes left, there's another vehicle in the way. It looks like a crane. Cranes are used to lift heavy objects. Good idea! B. Franklin can fly over and find a clear path. We can get around the construction if we turn right. Looks like Grandma is renovating her house. That means she's fixing it up. The package must be for her. She's using a jackhammer, a very loud drill to break up concrete. Grandma can't hear us, but Mr. Zip's job isn't done until she signs for the package. B. Franklin finally got her attention. Phew. Now Grandma has what she needs to keep building this house. But what is it? A wrench. Of course. Lots of things need tightening on a construction site. Mr. Zip is delivering ice cream for the last day of school celebration. Boy, it's a hot day today. It's Liza and Iverson, ready for their sweet treat. What's wrong? Oh no! The ice cream is melting. We need to find a way to keep it cold. Quick, inside! The power must be out. It's probably even hotter inside. Mr. Zip's got an idea. Let's go! Looks like the power is out at the fire station, too. Is Grandma's power out, too? The ice cream is gonna melt soon. What do we do? Cool idea, B. Franklin, but there's no time for a dip in the bird bath. Wait a minute. Mr. Zip knows some other birds that love to swim. Hurry! There's still time to save the ice cream party. Penguins, of course. And they have a cool habitat. Nice as ice. Maybe they can help us keep our ice cream cold. Thank you, Penguin Pal. Since the power in the school is out, maybe we should have the celebration here. We saved the day and the ice cream party. Now that's cold. Great job, everyone.
It's the 4th of July, the 4th of July, Independence Day. Hooray! B. Franklin is so excited for the fireworks display. Yeah, it's the 4th of July, the 4th of July, 4th of July. Hey, Milo and Liza. Liza. Oh no, is everything okay? The fireworks show is delayed? Then how are we going to celebrate? What to do? Mr. Zip knows we don't have fireworks, so we'll make our own. We'll need some decorations and to work as a team. So let's all follow Mr. Zip. Come on, everybody. First, we need a poster tube. When we mail posters, this is what we use. Next, we need some colorful paint. Come on now, friends, let's decorate. These decorations look amazing. Great job, everyone. This 4th of July is gonna be so fun. Go, go, go. Let's go. It's a DIY fireworks show. Go, go, go. Let's go. It's a DIY fireworks show. It's Independence Day. Independence Day. The 4th of July. The 4th of July. The real fireworks are ready. They're ready. So let's look up to the sky. Wow! Wow! What a beautiful sight. As colorful as can be. This was such a great Independence Day because we worked as a team.
Mr. Zip has a package to deliver at the aquarium. But who's it for? Aha! It must be a gift for Old Sea Turtle's 100th birthday. All we have to do is find the sea turtle's habitat and deliver the birthday gift. Uh-oh! A dolphin has the package! Where is the dolphin sending the package? Maybe they were trying to help deliver it. It's landed in the penguin's habitat. Maybe they can help us find Old Sea Turtle. Oh no! The penguin slipped and the package is about to... Phew, that was close. But where could Old Sea Turtle's habitat be? Sea turtles travel at least 10,000 miles each year, like Mr. Zip delivering the mail. But how is Mr. Zip going to deliver Old Sea Turtle their birthday gift underwater? Farley brought Mr. Zip's dive suit. Splash-tacular! Open it! We all want to see what you got. A seaweed cake, of course. Sea turtles love seaweed. Happy 100th birthday. Mr. Zip can deliver anything on land, in the air, and even underwater.
It's Mr. Zip's day off, and he's come to the park for a picnic on this beautiful day. Okay. There's his blanket, wow, made of old mail bags, reused, recycled, that's the Mr. Zip way. But there's trash at the playground, trash everywhere. Iverson and Liza, you have to help us out. It's time to clean up the playground. Paper, glass, and plastic, yeah, goes in the blue. And in the black bin, well, that's wrappers and food. Let's all make a game out of cleaning the trash. If you pick the most, you get a treat. This should be a blast. Now, who picked up the most trash today? Ooh. Iverson and Liza, it's a tie game. Ice cream. Woo! That's your special prize. And Mr. Zip's thinking. There's an idea in his eyes. There's something we can do with all this trash. Just give him a minute, he'll be done in a flash. Reuse, recycle, that's the way to go. What's Mr. Zip making? Everybody wants to know. Wow, Mr. Zip is very smart. He used all the trash to make some recycled art.
What a beautiful day in the park. Wait, was that thunder? Haha, it's just B. Franklin's stomach. He must be hungry. It's Liza and Iverson. They're picking oranges and making juice. Yum! What a sweet, healthy treat. Liza and Iverson want to build a community garden here, but they don't know where to start. Yes! Mr. Zip has a friend who can help us out. Come on! Wow! Farmer Milo gave them tools, dirt, and seeds. All the stuff you need to start a garden. Thanks, Milo. All we need now is sunlight. Water. And patience. Lots and lots of patience. Whoa! Liza and Iverson have been working hard on the community garden. Great job, everyone. But how will anyone know to visit? Mr. Zip has it covered. He's delivering invitations to everyone in town. Look at the work we did together. And just think how exciting it'll be when other people join in. Guess we should pick those oranges. Back to work, everyone.